Hello friends, today's online video lecture topic is narcotic analgesics. Those drugs are used in the analgesics against pains having a narcotics. That drugs we will be discuss in this video lectures. First, the algorithm for pain management based on the World Health Organization's in a 3 steps the analgesics ladders. Analgesic ladders means steps. Means some analgesic drugs are step by steps are used to reduce the analgesia or algesia to reduce the pain as per the severity. The opioid analgesics are used. This means the World Health Organizations are creates algorithm against the pain management in the 3 steps, and that are in the first, if the pain are mild, pain is a little bit mild, that time we will use the non-opioids. Non-opioids contain a acetaminophen or a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs. With or without some analgesic adjuvants we will be used. We also used non-pharmacological method should also be used. In the first steps, if the pain are mild, that time we can use as a non-opioids. Non-opioids are a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, or with or without we can use analgesics adjuvants. If after this treatment, if the pain are increases or pain are persisting, that this mild steps get converted, it means mild step converted into moderate pain. The mild pain are converted into moderate pain, means if the step first mild pains are not cure on this medication treatment, we can use a second steps moderate pain containing drugs. In the second steps we will use a less potent opioids. Generally less potent opioids are hydrocodone, codeine or tramadol. With non-opioids, less potent opioids with non-opioids. Non-opioids are acetaminophen or a non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, and with or without we can use a analgesic adjuvants. It means in the first steps mild pains, that times we will use a non-opioid non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs with or without analgesic adjuvants. If the pain are not reduced, we can use a second steps, the less potent opioids, and first steps containing drugs like non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs and with or without analgesics adjuvants. After this second steps drugs, the pain are not cure or not relief, pain are not relief in the second steps, it means pain may be a severe, and that times if the pain is persisting or increasing, at that times we will use a third steps drugs or severe pain relieving drugs. The severe pain relieving drugs are potent opioids. In that the potent opioids are morphine, oxycodone, and with or without non-opioids or analgesic adjuvants. At the severe pain relieving treatments containing a potent opioids and non-steroidal anti-inflammatory and analgesics adjuvants. This is the way to treat or relieve the pain by using this algorithm. This algorithm are formed by World Health Organization. Next, the classification of narcotic analgesics. The classification of narcotic analgesics on the basis of their structural. The narcotic analgesics are classified on their structural basis. In the first 4,5-epoxymorphines. First class of narcotic analgesics are 4,5-epoxymorphines. In that, the example of drugs are morphine, sulfates and codeine. Next class of narcotic analgesics drugs are morphinans. The example of morphinans are livorphenol tartrate. Then third class of narcotic analgesics drugs containing the benzomorphins or benzodiazepines. The benzodiazepines drug structure containing drugs example is a pentazocines. Then fourth one is a 4-phenylpiperidine derivatives. In that, the example is a meperidine hydrochlorides, loperamide hydrochlorides and diphenoxylate hydrochlorides. These are the drugs of 4-phenylpiperidine containing drugs. The example is meperidine hydrochloride, loperamide hydrochlorides and diphenoxylate hydrochlorides. Fifth one class is a 4-anilidopiperidines. Example is fentanyl citrates. The next sixth one is a diphenylheptanes. The diphenylheptanes ring containing drugs are example of this class of drugs is methadone hydrochlorides. And next and last one class of this narcotic analgesics is miscellaneous. Example is tramadol. Example is tramadol. This is the 7th class of narcotic analgesics based on their structural. This is the classification. Let's discuss one by one. The first is a 4,5-epoxymorphines. In that 4,5-epoxymorphines, the structure or drug containing the epoxy groups at a 4th and 5th positions. That's why its name indicates the 4,5-epoxymorphines, and this is the morphinal structures. Means ring containing A, B, C and D. This is the morphinal structure and it's with a 4,5-epoxy molecules. Means oxygen are bonded with a 4th and 5th position, in between the 4th and 5th position. These structures, this is the name of this structure, or example, this is the morphine. This structure are morphines. The example of 4,5-epoxymorphines is a morphines. The drug containing 4,5-epoxymorphines example is a morphine. The morphine are prototype ligand for the mu receptors. Morphines are prototype ligand for the mu receptor. Morphine, it is a prototypes in the mu receptor. Morphine contains 5 chiral centers and 16 optical isomers. The morphines are contains 5 chiral centers and 16 optical isomers. Then the natural occurring active form of morphine is the levorotatory enantiomorph. The morphine are generally occurs from the natural from opium poppy. The biological source is Papaver somniferums, and it is generally occurs in a levorotatory enantiomers. Then morphine was isolated from opium in 1806 by German pharmacist. Then morphine is extensively metabolized via phase 2 glucuronide conjugation reaction. Then it is used to relieve moderate to severe pain. Morphine are used to relieve the moderate to severe pain. Then specific antidote for morphine is naloxone. Naloxones are a narcotic antagonist, and naloxone are used as a specific antidote for morphines. Then the metabolism of morphines and codeines. Morphines generally goes to the glucuronidation reaction or conjugation reaction. In the third positions and sixth positions are conjugation reaction are involved. Generally it is a glucuronidation conjugation or sulfate conjugation. At the third position glucuronidations, here if the conjugation occurs at third position, generally glucuronidations, the compounds morphine having a inactive, and the sixth glucuronidation at the sixth position, here the compounds are produces a active forms, means here the glucuronidation conjugation or sulfate conjugations if occurs, the compounds of morphines or metabolites of morphines or conjugated morphines are actively, but the third position is produces a inactive by conjugation of morphine. Then next one, metabolism process or way of the morphine is a N-demethylation, and some cytochrome or liver containing enzymes occurs major and minor. CYP, cytochrome P3A4 is a major occurs, and cytochrome P2C8 its occurs is a minor. These enzymes are used in the demethylation of morphine. Here these methyl groups are demethylated. Here nitrogen containing methyl groups of morphine are demethylated. Here the hydrogen are involved, and this demethylated morphine is a active form of active form. Then next of the codeine, metabolism of codeines. Morphine it is a metabolite products of codeines. Codeines also occurs in naturally. Codeine, after the metabolism of codeines, by the demethylation of codeines, here the nitrogen containing methyls are demethylated, it produces a active forms. If the codeines are goes to conjugation reaction at a sixth position, glucuronidation conjugations, it is produces a active form name. Then third one of the metabolism way or pathway of codeine is a O-demethylations. The codeine goes under to O-demethylations. Here at a third positions, the methyl group are reduced by a hydrogen or replaced by a hydrogen, means here the demethylations, methyl groups are removed by replacing the hydrogens. The enzymes are used cytochrome P2D6, and after the codeines demethylation on third positions, its metabolized product is a morphine, means morphine are codeine O demethylated products. This is the metabolism of morphine and codeine. Then next drug is codeine. The codeines containing a 4,5 epoxymorphinans. The structure of codeine is a 4,5-epoxymorphinans. This is the structure of codeine. Here hydrogen replaced by a methyl groups at a third positions, means at third position oxygen with methyl, methoxy groups are present at third positions. Compound is codeine. It's occur as a liver rotatory, colorless, efflorescent crystals or as a white crystalline powders. Codeines occurs in the levorotatory forms. It is a colorless efflorescent crystals or as a white crystalline powder. It is a light sensitive. Codeines are light sensitive. Codeine is a monoacidic base and readily form salt with the acids. Generally, codeine and morphine. Morphine also a monoacidic base and it is readily forms salt with the acids. Means morphine also monoacidic base or codeine it is also monoacidic base and monoacidic base are readily forms salt with the acids. Then the decreased potency also leads to a lower addiction potential compared with a morphine. Means morphine are 10 times more potent than a codeine. Morphine are 10 times more potent than a codeine. It means the decreases the potency of codeine also leads to lower the addiction potential compared with a morphine. Then side effects including codeine are respiratory depression, meiosis, constipation, nausea, itching, dry mouth and drowsiness. These are the side effects of codeines, which are respiratory depression, meiosis, constipations, nausea, itching, dry mouth and drowsiness. Then the pharmacokinetics, the approximately 5% of codeine is metabolized to morphine via O-demethylation. We generally discuss or seen in previous slides the metabolism of codeine. By O-demethylation it produces a morphine. Means approximately 5% of codeine is metabolized to morphine via O-demethylation. It is used in mild to moderate pain. Codeine is used in the pain containing mild or moderate. It is also used in cough suppression or it is used in coughing and in a diarrhea. Codeine also used in a diarrhea. Then it is having a strong histamine releasing action than morphines. It is more histamine releasing action than a morphine. Then the next class of drugs are morphinons. In that this is a structure of morphinons and the morphinons made by removing the E-ring from morphines. The morphine ring containing 4,5-epoxy or it is a E-ring are removed to produce a morphinons rings. This is a morphinons rings. The morphinons were made by removing the E-ring from morphinon. And this is the structure of levorphenol. Levorphenol example of the morphinons. The levorphenol, this is the structure of levorphenol. Levorphenol tartrate is the levorotatory form of methorphan and is approximately 7.5 times more potent than morphine orally. The levorphan are orally 7.5 times more potent than morphine and levorphan tartrate it is a levorotatory forms. Then the plasma half-life of levorphenol is about 6 to 8 hours. The plasma half-life of levorphenol is about 6 to 8 hours. Then it is produces respiratory and CNS depression. Levorphenol produces a respiratory and CNS depressions. Then it is used to treat moderate to severe pain. Levorphenol are used in the treatment of moderate to severe pain relieving. Then it is also used as an adjunct for nitrous oxide and oxygen in a anesthesia. Then next class of drug is benzomorphins. This is the structure of benzomorphins, and the benzomorphins containing drugs are pentazocines. This is general structure of benzomorphins, and the example of benzomorphin is pentazocines. This is structure of pentazocines. In that, the structural simplification and removing the C-ring of the morphinans structure produces a benzomorphinans, and also referred as a benzodiazepines. Means benzomorphinans are simply structural modification removing the C-ring. Here the C-ring are produces, means morphinan containing A, B, C and D rings. And 4,5 epoxy morphinans contains A, B, C, D and E ring also. But in the morphinans there are 4 rings generally present, like A, B, here C and D rings, but the E rings are removed in a morphinan. And the next, in the benzodiazepines, C ring also removed, means generally simplification, structural simplification of morphinans or removing the C rings produces a benzomorphinans, or also it is called as a benzodiazepines. And the example of benzomorphinans are pentazocines, and this is the structure of pentazocine. At pentazocines act at the mu receptors. Pentazocines is a partial agonist and a weak antagonist. Pentazocines are partial agonist at mu receptor, as well as it is a weak antagonistic activity produces at a mu receptor. Then pentazocine is also agonist at the kappa receptor, produces a dysphoria. Pentazocine produces a dysphoria by acting on a kappa receptors. Dysphoria means a feeling of dissatisfaction, anxiety and restlessness. Then it is available in a 50 milligram tablet. Pentazocines are available in the market at a 50 mg tablets. It contains a naloxone at a low dose with 0.5 milligram, and naloxone are antagonist, means it is available in 50 mg tablets along with a low dose of the antagonist, and naloxone 0.5 milligram. Naloxone are a opioid antagonist. It is commonly used for the control of moderate to acute pain. Pentazocines generally used to control or relieve the moderate to acute pain. Then it shows a sedative action. Pentazocine shows a sedative action, or it produces a sedative action. It is used as substitute for meperidine or morphine drug dependence. Means if the patient are dependence or produce habit of meperidine or morphine, then the pentazocines are substituted. Then the next class of drugs is 4-phenylpiperidine or FEN for anylidopyperidine derivatives. This is the 4-phenylpiperidine rings. It means this is ring of piperidines. At the 4 positions phenyl rings are substituted. We have 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the 4 positions phenyl rings are substituted. That's why 4-phenylpiperidines. So, and the example of 4-phenylpiperidines, meperidines, if here R's are CH3, means nitrogen are at a substituted R CH3 or methyl groups, it means the drugs are meperidines. If the RR CH2, CH2C substituted with cyanides or diphenyls, the drug name is a diphenoxylate. And the meperidine diphenoxylates are the 4-phenylpiperidine derivatives. And the next one example is 4-phenylpiperidine is a loperamide. This is a structure of loperamide. Then 4 anhydropiperidines at a 4th position of piperidine. This is ring of piperidines. This is a ring of piperidine at 4 positions, means 1, here 2, 3 and 4th positions. At a 4th position, this is group R anhylido, here at a 4th position phenyl groups. That's why here 4-phenyl anhylido piperidines. The structure or example of 4-phenylpiperidines derivatives is a fentanyl. This is the structure of fentanyls. 4-phenylpiperidine and 4 anhydropiperidines derivatives. Further the structural simplification of the benzomorphone or benzodiazepine ring systems via removal of the D ring of the benzomorphones yield the 4 substituted piperidines. Means the benzodiazepine or benzomorphones contain a B ring also. Here B rings. This B ring are replaced and it is produces a 4 substituted piperidines derivatives. It means it is 4 phenylpiperidines derivatives are generally obtained by simplifying the structure of benzomorphone. This is the 4 phenylpiperidines. The example is meperidine diphenoxylates and loperamides, and 4 anhydropiperidines. Example is fentanyl. Let's meperidines. The meperidines are, this is the structure of meperidines. Meperidines are quickly penetrate the blood-brain barrier and thus has a quick onset of activity and a high abuse potential. Meperidine are quickly penetrate the blood-brain barrier and has, if it is quickly penetrate the blood-brain barrier, it produces the quick onset of action and it produces a high abuse potential. Then the metabolism of meperidines are, this is the meperidines in our livers, carboxylestrase. The enzymes are used in the metabolism is a carboxylestrase. It produces a inactive renal eliminations. And then next, second way of the metabolism in the brain, it produces a normeperidine. This is a structure of normeperidine. Here methyl group are replaced, means generally demethylation. This is the demethylation and produces a normeperidines. Normeperidines are neurotoxics. The metabolism of meperidines is a normeperidines, and normeperidines, it is a neurotoxic, means it produces a CNS toxicities. After it is a excreted from a renal eliminations. And normeperidines also metabolized in liver, produces a carboxylestrase and the producing these renal elimination, these compounds are inactive. After the carboxyl stress, the metabolized products are inactive. Here R is the it may be a hydrogen, means if the normephedrine are metabolized by carboxyl stress, here R is hydrogen. If methylpredines are metabolized by carboxyl stress, the R is methyl groups, and both are inactive, and it is removed from renal elimination. This is the metabolism process of methylpredine, means byproduct, metabolized byproduct normephedrine produces a neurotoxicity or CNS toxicity. Then it is used in the pre-medication prior to anesthesia. It also produces corneal analgesia. It have a weak atropine-like activity like a mydriasis. Means methylpredine used in the pre-medication prior to anesthesia. In anesthesia, it is used as a pre-medication, and it is also produces a corneal analgesia. At a corneal, it relieve the pain, and it have a weak atropine-like activity like a mydriasis. Mydriasis means dilations of pupils, and methylpredine is available in a tablet, liquid, and injection form. Then next are diphenoxylates. Diphenoxylates, it is used in the combination with atropine in a acute diarrhea. Diphenoxylates used in the treatment or cure the acute diarrhea with the combination of atropine. Then it is causes a euphoria and physical dependence in a high dose. If diphenoxylates used as a high dose, it produces a physical dependence also and euphoria. Everyone know the physical dependence and euphoria. It is used as a misuse. Sometimes it is diphenoxylates are used as a misuse. Then next drugs of 4-phenylpiperidine derivatives containing drug is loperamides, and loperamides it's act as an antidiarrheal by directly binding to the opiate receptor in the gut wall. The GIT gut walls, it's act on the opiate receptor, and it produces the action like a antidiarrheal. Then loperamides inhibit the acetylcholine and prostaglandin release. Loperamides are inhibited the acetylcholine and prostaglandin releases, decreasing the peristalsis and fluid secretions, thus increasing the GI transition times, means, and reducing the volume of fecal matters. Means loperamides are inhibit the acetylcholine and prostaglandin releases. It causes the decreasing the peristalsis and fluid secretion, also increases the GIT transition times, and it's overall it produces a reducing the volume of fecal matter. Then loperamide is sufficiently lipophilic in nature to cross the blood-brain barrier. Loperamides are cross the easily to blood-brain barrier because it is a lipophilic in nature. It is used in the treatment of neuropathic pain, and it's crossed the blood-brain barrier. It is used in the neuropathic pain or relieving the neuropathic pain. Next one is a fentanyl. Example of next drug is fentanyl. It is a example of 4-anhydropiperidine derivatives. It is a 4-anhydropiperidine derivatives, and the example of 4-anhydropiperidine derivatives is a fentanyl. Fentanyl was the first compounds marketed and was found to be almost 500 times more potent than methylpredine. It is the first compounds marketed found almost 500 times more potent than a mifeprines. Fentanyls are 500 times more potent than a mifeprines. The high lipophilicity of fentanyl give it a quick onset and a quick metabolism led to short duration of action. It produces a short duration of action because it is a highly lipophilic in nature, produces quick onset of action. Then it is used as a adjunct anesthetics. It is used as a adjunct anesthetics. Then fentanyl is available in a unique transdermal systems or transdermal patches. Fentanyl also available in a unique transdermal systems. Fentanyl also give through a intravenously, and it is also available in the transdermal systems. Substituting the N-phenylethyl groups with bioisosters led to development of fentanyl congeners, that is alfentanyl, sulfentanyl and remifentanils. Means at the fentanyls are 4 anhydropyridine derivatives at the pyridine containing N, at the N position N-phenylethyl group. The substituting the N-phenylethyl group with bioisoster led to the development of fentanyl congeners, and that fentanyl congeners are example is alfentanyl, sulfentanyl and remifentanils. The next drug is next class of drugs is diphenylheptanes. This is a new class of narcotic analgesics. Diphenylheptanes. In that the example of diphenylheptanes is methadones, and this is a structure of methadones. Why this is a diphenylheptanes? Because it contains a heptanes. Alkane containing heptanes, the heptanes containing carbon containing 7 carbons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and this one is a 7th. That's why it is a heptanes, and diphenyl, this is 1 and 2nd, diphenyl are substituted. Means this is a diphenylheptanes, and the example of this class of drugs is methadone. This is a structure of methadone. Methadone, the opioid activity resides in the R enantiomers. The opioid activity of R enantiomers are 7 to 50 times more potent than the S enantiomers. And the methadone may only be dispensed for the treatment of opioid addictions, and the methadones are used in the treatment generally for the opioid addictions or opioid habit forming. Then methadone is a mu receptor agonist. It is a mu receptor agonist. The pharmacokinetics of methadones, the oral bioavailability of methadone is a 36 to 100%. It is good. It is oral availability of methadone is a 36 to 100%. Plasma bound at a alpha 1 acid glycoproteins, the plasma bounds percentage of at a alpha 1 acid glycoproteins is 85 to 90%, and half-life eliminations of methadone is 8 and 59 hours. T of elimination is methadone is 8 hours and 59 hours. The metabolism of methadones via N-demethylations. Generally here methadones are metabolized at a N-demethylation. Then adverse effects including methadones. Adverse effects of methadones that are included the constricted of pupils, respiratory depressions, physical dependence and extreme somnolence, coma, cardiac arrest and death. Adverse effect of methadones, that are the constricted pupils, respiratory depressions, physical dependence or extreme somnolence means severe somnolence means sleepiness. Its sleepiness means it produces also drowsiness. Extreme somnolence means a sleepiness, and coma, cardiac arrest and death. These are the adverse effect of methadone. Then the metabolism of methadone. This is the structure of methadone at the minor pathway of oxidation, at the para-hydroxylations. After the oxidations, it's occur a para-hydroxylations. One of the rings are hydroxyl groups are attached on a para positions. Means either these phenyl rings on the hydroxyl groups are attached after oxidation, or here also it may be act on here. Then second way of methadone metabolism is N-demethylations. This is a major pathway. These are the cytochromic enzymes are used in the major pathway for N-demethylations. Here these methyl groups are demethylated, NH. After methyl groups are reduced to form a NH. And after the demethylation products of methadones, it's get a cyclizations. Here the nitrogen act on these carbons and remove the water molecules. Means after the demethylated products of methadones, spontaneous cyclizations of dehydrations. Means these nitrogens act on this. The compound produced cyclic compounds are 2-ethylidene, 1,5-dimethyl, 3,3-diphenyl piperidine, and this compound is inactive. It is a 1,2-ethylidene. This is a here 1,2-ethylidene at one position, 2 and 5 positions there. This is the products of cyclic products of methadones. It is metabolite products. It is a inactive form. This is a metabolism of methadones. Here the one hydrogens and oxygen, and here also one hydrogen, because these bonds are shifted to these words, and the removing of this one hydrogen, here one hydrogen and one oxygen, water molecules are removed to produce a cyclization, and these cyclic products are inactive. This is the way of metabolism of methadone. Then next drugs is a propoxyphene. This is a structure of propoxyphene. Propoxyphene is a derivative of methadone. It is a propoxyphene are derivatives of methadone. It is only about 1/10 potent as morphine. Propoxyphenes are 10 times more potent than morphine. Propoxyphene is metabolized via N-demethylation to form a norpropoxyphenes. Then it is also used for patient with digestive complaints. It is used in the patient having the digestive complaints. Then it is used to relieve mild to moderate pain. It is used in the treatment of mild to moderate pain relief. Then some medicinal uses of narcotic analgesics, or generally narcotic analgesics medicines uses, therapeutic uses. The first is the management of acute, chronic and severe pain of the acute myocardial infarction, obstructive analgesia. The first use of the narcotic analgesic, it is a management of acute, chronic and severe pain of acute myocardial infarction, obstruction, analgesia. Then second is a cup suppression, to suppress the cup. The example or drug are used in the cup suppression, that is a codeine and dextromethorphan. Then third use of the narcotic analgesis, it is a treatment of diarrhea. The using the treating diarrhea, the example of narcotic analgesics are diphenhexylates and loperamides. Fourth one is a use of the narcotic analgesics, the management of acute pulmonary edema. In that, the management of acute pulmonary edema, the narcotic analgesics are used. Then fifth one, the narcotic analgesics are used to preoperative medications and intraoperative adjunctive agents in anesthesia. And the example of the drug is fentanyl. Then next, maintenance programmer for addicts. If the patients are habit for addictions, the drugs generally used as a methadone. This is the medicinal uses of narcotic analgesics. And here, thank you so much guys.